Thanks for coming to watch this unboxing video. If you like it, give it a like and be sure to subscribe. It's a Friday night and I just arrived back from a high school football game, a great one at that. And I just got too anxious, wanted to open this. So I threw it up on the table, asked my wife to record. Could have maybe done a little better job, but hey, this is what we got. Okay, let's open her up. Undo the bow. That was nice of them to do that. Way to go, Microsoft. Okay. Let's get this box opened up. Looks like we only have one taped spot, so that should be pretty easy. There we go. There she is. Wonder which one it is. Okay. That feels nice. And this is a silver one. Okay. This looks just like my Surface Pro. This is my first Surface laptop of any type. And I will have to charge it before I do my work on it to review. Here, yes, Surface Laptop Go 2. And some other documentation. I'm sure it doesn't feel like there's anything else in it. Okay. Yeah, let's get it out of the way. Let's see here. This is going to be our power adapter. Let's see what we've got. Pretty hefty adapter. And, looks like it's the same one as the Surface Pro, which I guess is good. A little interesting they didn't go with the USB Type-C charging. Anything hiding underneath? No, sir. Okay, so the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2. The review is coming soon.